You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet.
Hello my love, today's video is going to be a blue smoky eye makeup tutorial for olive skin tones. Sorry if I'm whispering, I can hear my neighbors, so I do get a little bit embarrassed. I know I shouldn't be, but I do, so sorry if I'm whispering a little bit. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through an application and demonstration of me applying the eyeshadow, but at the same time I'll also be going through the kind of blue shades and blue colors that will complement olive skin tones, and basically some other eyeshadow colors that you can mix in order to create the best smoky eye to enhance olive skin tones. And as I always say, I would recommend experimenting for yourself as well, as you know every individual is different. So when it comes to picking a blue color, as I mentioned before in a previous video, if you do have olive skin, I would not recommend picking a pastel, a really bright pastel sort of blue. Now of course feel free to experiment and see if it does suit you, and if you're finding that the pastel blue is complementing your skin tone, in that case you are likely to have a more warm undertone, because the really ultra bright pastel blue shades tend to make olive skin look ashy, pasty and kind of washed out. So as you'll see in the demonstration, the kind of blue that I'll be using today is a more medium to dark blue, and then I'm also going to be mixing in some really dark gray / black to the outer corners and the crease as well. For the application, I'll be coming really up close to the camera so you can see exactly what I'm mixing. And also I'm going to be incorporating a little dash of silver just in the middle of my eyelid. I will show you during the application. And I know I'm not really great at makeup, but this is just more focusing on those tones and colors and a smoky eye that basically would look best on individuals with olive skin tones. Right, so let's get into the application.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where to pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So that was the look. I hope you will have fun experimenting with some blue eyeshadow shades. I do hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.